Hi, today we're going to start with writing the value of the underlined digit. So let's try number 1. So we have 259. If you write this in an expanded form, we're going to have 200 plus 50 plus 9, and that equals 259. And the 5 is underlined, which is the second digit, which is over here. So the answer is going to be 50. Number 2. We have 61. 61 in an expanded form is 60 plus 1. And 60 is the underlined digit. So we're going to have 60. Sorry. Okay. And number 3, we have 100. 100 is, if the first digit is a 0, that's just going to be a 0. And number 4, 943 in an expanded form is 900 plus 40 plus 3. And the first digit is underlined, so our answer is 3. Okay, let's try 2 more. We have 777. So if you write that in an expanded form, we have 700 plus 70 plus 7. And the third digit, which is 700, is underlined. So we write 700. Now the last one, we're going to try number 6. We have 313. 313 in an expanded form is 300 plus 10 plus 3. And the second digit is underlined, so that the answer is going to be 10. Okay, let's move on to the next page. We have, now we have to shade in the given fraction and write it in standard form. Now, 1/2 is, so if you write this in a fraction, the number that comes first is going to be on the top. So 1 and half. Half means we're going to have 2 parts. So we write 1 over 2. Now, 1/2 is going to be, so we're going to have to shade one part of the circle, because this means that we have 2 parts and one part is shaded. Okay? So number 2, we have 1/3. Again, 1 comes first, so it goes on the top. And then we have third, so 3 goes on the bottom. Now here we have, the circle is divided into 3 parts, and one part needs to be shaded. So we're going to shade one part of the circle. Okay, number 3, we have 3/4. Now 3 comes first, so it goes on the top. 4th, it goes on the bottom. And then here we have a square that is divided into 3 parts, and we're gonna have to shade 4 parts, and we're gonna have to shade 3 parts. So 1, 2, and 3. Okay. Number 4, 2/5. 2 comes first, goes on the top. 5ths, it goes on the bottom. The circle is divided into 5 parts, and we're going to have to shade 2 parts of the circle. So 1 and 2. Okay, let's try one more. So number 5, 6/8. 6 comes first, so we write 6 first, and 8th. So we're going to write 8 on the bottom. The circle is divided into 8 parts, and we're going to have to shade 6 parts of the circle. So here we have 4 and 5, 6. Okay. Now let's move on to the next page. We have multiplication. 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times 4 is 8. But we can also check it by drawing. So 1, 2, 3. So if you check, we have 1, 2, and vertically, so vertically we have 1, 2, and horizontally we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you count them together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the answer is correct. Now we have 5 times 1, so that's 5. 3 times 4 is 12. And 9 times 3 is 27. 1 times 6 is 6. Okay, and for number 7, 10 times 0 is 0. Any number times 0 is going to be 0. Okay, the next page, word problems. Tim has a pack of 110 trading cards. Allie has a pack of 130 trading cards. Jordan has a pack of 85 trading cards. How many trading cards do they have altogether? So altogether means that we have to add up all the numbers. So 110, 130, and 85 needs to be added up. So we're first going to add 110 and 130. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 3 is 4, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Now we're going to have to add Jordan's cards. So 240 plus 85. 0 plus 5 is 5. 4 plus 8 is going to be 12. So the 2 goes down and the 1 goes up. Now we're going to have to add 1 plus 2. That's going to be 3. So our answer is 325 trading cards altogether. Now, number 2, there are 35 balls on a playground. 10 of them are dodgeballs, 18 of them are basketballs, and the rest are soccer balls. How many soccer balls are there? Now, we're going to first have to add 10 and 18 to find the rest. So 10 plus 18, 0 plus 8 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2, 28. And here, the first sentence says that there are 35 balls on the playground. So to find out how many soccer balls we have, there are, we're going to do 35 minus 28. Because the number on the top is smaller, we're going to have to borrow 1 tens from the 3. So the 3 is going to turn into 12, and we're going to add 1 tens to 5, so 10 plus 5 is going to be 15, so we can do 15 minus 8 now. 15 minus 8 is 7, and 2 minus 2 over here is 0. So there are 7 soccer balls on the playground. Thank you.